Rules of harkat.
Rule
One zer, one pesh are called harkat. Read with me.
of rule of harkat. One zabur, one zer, one pesh are called harkat.
Okay, next rules. Rules of tanween. Two zabur, two zer, two pesh are called tanween.
Rules of tanween. Two zabur, two zer, two pesh are called tanween.
Okay, next rules. This rules name is madde tabai. Okay.
Okay.
The rules of madde tabai.
Rules of Matatabait.
There are three huruf of mad. Alif, waw, ya.
The three hulus of mud. Alif,
Okay.
Waw, and Ya.
Okay. Again, there are three huruf of mad. Alif, waw, ya.
There are three hulus of mud. Alif, Waw, and Ya.
Okay. Next. When there is a zabur before the alif, then the alif becomes mad. Example, ba alif zabur ba. Hmm.
When there is a zabur before the alif, then the alif becomes mud. Example,
Example.
Bal, so ba.
Okay. Next. When there is a pesh before the waw sakin, then the waw sakin becomes mud. Example, ba waw pesh bu.
When there is a pesh before the Waw sakin, wait, when there is a pesh before the Waw skin, then the Waw skin becomes mud. Example, Ba Waw pesh boo.
Good. Okay. When there is a zer before the yasakin, then the yasakin becomes mud. Example, ba ya zer bi.
When there is a Z before the Yaskin, then the Yaskin becomes mud. Example, Bayazebi.
Okay. Pronounce the huruf mud by stretching them to the length of one alif.
Pronounce the huruf mud by stretching them to the length of one alif.
Okay. Now we read next rules. This rule's name is Khara Harkat. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Khara Harkat.
Khara harkat.
Khara Zabor, Khara Zer, Ulta Pesh. Acha, not Khara Pesh, Ulta Pesh. Okay, 1 minute. Khara Zabor,
Khara zabor.
Khara Zer,
Khara zer.
Ulta Pesh.
Ulta pesh.
অথবা আমরা এখানে আপসাইড ডাউন পেশ এটাও বলতে পারবো ওকে
Okay.
ওকে রিড এগেইন খারা হারকত
Khara harkat.
রুলস অফ খারা হারকত
Rules of khara harkat.
খারা জবর খারা জের উল্টা পেশ আর known as the খারা হারকত
Khara zabor. Khara zer. Ulta pesh are known as the khara harkat.
pronounce the খারা হারকত by stretching them to the length of one alif
Pronounce the khara harkat by stretching them to the length of one alif.
okay again rules of খারা হারকত
Rules of khara harkat.
খারা জবর খারা জের উল্টা পেশ are known as the খারা হারকত
Khara zabor. Khara zer. Um, ulta pesh as known as the khara harkat.
pronounce the khara harkot by stretching them to the length of one alif.
And pronounce the khara harkat by stretching them to the length of one alif.
Okay, now we read next rules. Rules of lean.
Rules of lin.
There are two huruf of lean.
There are two hurufs of lin.
Wow, yeah.
Wow, yeah.
When there is a zabur before the waw sakin, then the waw sakin becomes lean.
Huh?
When there is a zabur before the waw sakin, then the waw sakin becomes lean.
When there is a zabar before the waw sakin, then the waw sakin becomes lin.
Example, ba waw zabur baw.
Example, ba waw zabar.
Okay. Next, when there is a zabur before the yasakin, then the yasakin becomes lean.
When there is a zabar before the when there is a zabar before the yaskin, then the yaskin becomes lin.
Example by Yazabur by.
Example by is by.
Pronounce the huruf lean without stretching and fast.
Pronounce the harakat without
Pronounce the
stretching.
huruf lean.
Pronounce the huruf lean without stretching and fast.